Hello, hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope everyone is well. I'm going to give YouTube a few minutes to notify people. I just decided to hop on tonight. I have been trying to go live on this channel. It has not been working for me, so I thought I would go live tonight. Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope someone will join me. I just thought I'd hop on and answer a few questions about any of the videos I've already done. If you have any questions, if you want to share something about your weight loss, I'm here to talk about all things weight loss. Healthy life with Kimmi, not just weight loss. It could be anything related to your health journey, mental, emotional. Let's see if anybody joins me. I probably need to prepare better. Hey, there's someone. Hi. I don't even really have a topic tonight. I thought I would just hop on and go live and just kind of see how everyone is doing. I just kind of put it out, so it is short notice. Just wanted to talk about, like I said, if you have any questions about any of the videos that I've completed, maybe I'll talk about a few of them. I can pull them up right quick and just kind of recap. How's your day going? And welcome to the person who has joined me and those who will watch the replay. Maybe I'll go through a few of the comments and we'll talk about that while we wait. So today I put out a video. Let's go through a few of those comments. Today I put out a video about being fat shamed. Hey, welcome to whoever is joining us. I appreciate it. Feel free to hop in the comments if you want to talk about anything. Today the video I put out, like I said, was about fat shaming. I'm going to share a few of the comments with you. And then if you feel like you want to, like I said, hop in, we can definitely discuss some things. I'm open. I'm here. So one person says that they have felt fat shamed. Just going to recap some of the videos that I've done, maybe a few of the comments. We'll start with today's video. Somebody says, hey, Kimmi, I feel you about fat shaming. Some people just don't think about what comes out of their mouth. Also, some people will make an inappropriate comment and laugh about it. I mean, what can I say? Ignorance is bliss, I guess. And that person is so correct, because sometimes people will say things and they don't think about it. I mean, quite honestly, I have made that mistake. I've said something to someone and I'm like, oh God, why did I say that? Hey, welcome. Welcome to whoever joined us and to those on the replay. I'm just going over some of the comments from today's video and maybe a few of the other videos. If you want to chime in, ask any questions about some of the videos I've already put out, I'm here to answer them so you can get to know me better. I would like to start getting to know you all even better. The comments have been amazing. And again, I just want us to form a deeper relationship here. For those of you who don't know me, and I'll get back to the comments, I am Kimmi. I have embarked on this healthy weight loss journey. Again, I always say I'm not doing it perfectly. I'm not a medical expert, but I have a lot of experience in being overweight. I have a lot of experience in that. I always say I came out of my mama's womb as a big baby. So I have a lot of experience in walking in this body as a larger person. And I'm just here to share again, my experience, and it's been therapeutic for me. It's been helping me. You guys have been so motivating, and I feel that I'm helping you. So I wanted to start trying to go live. So the first comment we read was again from AllBiz1, and it was that they filmed me about the fat shaming, which is the video I put out today if you have not seen it. And again, it's just talking about how some people don't think about what comes out of their mouth and they make inappropriate comments and laugh. And I think that's the other piece of it. It's like, well, I laughed about it, so now, ha, 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 it's all funny. No, the comments still stung just as much, even though they felt like they could laugh it off and they felt better about it, So let's go into what the next person says. I'm not going to read the names. I'm just going to read the comments. So somebody else said they would never fat shame anyone, but I sure got it in grade school and then slimmed down in my teenage years, found chubbiness now for most of their married life, 42 years as an adult, been fat shamed 7 times, and those times are hard to forget. We'll stop there. And I totally agree. Somebody can give you a compliment and you forget about that. Hey, whoever is joining us, someone gives you a compliment, you completely forget about that. But the negative will always stick out with us. It will always stick out. I can remember things. My grandmother one time, she came to visit us. I'll never forget. She was sitting down. My friend came in. And she told me, we're talking about my fat shaming video for those who are just joining us. Some of the comments, I'm still just sharing some experiences. And those who will watch on the replay. And my grandmother was like, "Oh, you're fat just like Kim." And I looked, and my friend looked, and my friend was a little stockier. She was a little shorter. And it was just the craziest thing. So even your grandparents or whoever, it can be any family member, as I talked about in the video, people feel emboldened that they can talk about your weight. And I just don't see what gives people the right. Sometimes if someone has a deformity, we may look, but we wouldn't dare say something about their handicap or whatever that may be, right? I would hope most people would not. But when it comes to weight and things of that nature, people feel like they can just say whatever. And I'm not beating up on people because, like I said earlier, I have misspoken about things. All of us have. I'm sure you have made mistakes saying something. Did you all want to share anything about you being bullied, or has that experience ever happened to you? If you feel comfortable, you could put a Y in the chat for yes, that you have been, bullied about your weight, or N for no, if you've never experienced that, if you feel comfortable in sharing. In the meantime, I'm going to read another comment here. It says, once words are spoken, they can never be taken back, and that person will take it to their grave. We need to taste our words before we speak them. I love that, the poeticness. Taste the words. If it don't set right with you when you're saying it, it's probably not going to set right with the person who you're telling it to. You know what I mean? So we do need to think about that. We really do. And again, I'm equally guilty of making comments. And I'm like, dang, why did I say that? Why? So we do have a comment here. So Lynette says, hi, Kimmi. Good to see you live tonight. Thanks for coming on. I love your videos. When you have been fat shamed, has it given you low self-esteem? Yes, it has. It really has. Only for a second, though, because I'm pretty confident in my own skin, as I mentioned in the video that I put out today. So it will affect me. Not where I'm going to go home and be like, oh, wow, I need to, lose weight, immediately going to crash diet or something. But yeah, I'm affected. Comments hurt, as people have been saying in these comments that I'm reading right now. So it has affected my self-esteem. Again, not where I'm immobile, but yeah, do I think about it twice? Have I told my friends? Yeah, I'm like, girl, guess what she said? Or I'll tell my husband, you won't believe what such and such said to me or did to me. I've had people actually touch me. Oh, your arms are kind of big. Oh, really? Are you touching my body? You know what I'm saying? Hi, welcome to everybody that's joining us. Jeffrey is saying, yes, words do matter. Yeah, they do. I appreciate it, Jeffrey. That's my hubby. Well, he had to come on my first live, y'all. It's really my second because I did one with Lynette. But like I was saying, I've had people actually touch me and say, oh, your arms are so big. So that has made me self-conscious before when someone touches my arms, or something like that. But again, I'm not going to cover them up because a lot of times I live in the South and it's hot. And again, I'm not that person. I'm going to get over it. It's going to hurt, but I'm going to get over it.